Ready? Start. The respondent numbers 2, 3 and 8 along with some other members of the appellant filed a revision application under section 154 of the SAD Act of 1960 for challenging the orders permissions dated 27th December 2012 and 17th January 2013 issued by the Assistant Registrar of Cooperative Societies (STOP). The Revisional Authority allowed the revision application by the order dated 14th May 2013 (STOP). The order of the Revisional Authority was challenged by the appellant by filing a writ petition in the Bombay High Court (STOP). By the order, the Bombay High Court stayed the order of the Revisional Authority (STOP). The said interim order of Bombay High Court was challenged by the respondent numbers 2, 3 and 8 before this court (STOP). While dismissing the special leave petition, this court directed the Bombay High Court to expeditiously decide the writ petition (STOP). In the pending writ petition, the respondent number 2 filed an interlocutory application seeking an interim order of status quo as regards the redevelopment of the property (STOP). The High Court declined to grant any interim relief on the said application (STOP). The respondent numbers 1 to 11 contended in the suit that the resolutions passed in the special journal body meetings dated 12th February 2011 and 2nd December 2012 were illegal, being contrary to provisions of law and the guidelines framed by the state government. While the government resolution dated 3rd January 2009 (STOP), a prayer was made for a decree of declaration that the said resolutions were illegal, null and void (STOP). Another prayer was made for a declaration that the tender process conducted by the appellant society for appointing a developer for redeveloping its property was illegal (STOP). A prayer was also made for directing the appellant society to conduct a fresh tender process (STOP). Interim relief was claimed in the suit for restraining the concerned defendants from granting further permissions to the appellant (STOP). The trial court did not grant ad interim relief to the respondent numbers 1 to 11 (STOP). The present appellant and some other defendants took out a notice of motion in the suit contending that the jurisdiction of the civil court was barred in view of section 91 of the said Act of 1960 and the cooperative court will have exclusive jurisdiction to entertain and decide the dispute in the suit (STOP). It was also alleged that the suit was barred by limitation (STOP). The said respondents invoked section 9A of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 and prayed that both the issues be decided as preliminary issues before deciding the notice of motion for temporary injunction (STOP). The prayer was contested by the respondent numbers 1 to 11 (STOP). Two preliminary issues on jurisdiction and bar of limitation were framed by the trial court. After hearing the learned counsel for the parties, stop.